You ever meet a meal that's high protein, low calorie, and tastes like a guilty pleasure? Yeah, this is that meal. We're talking 500 calories, 41 grams of protein, and enough flavor to slap your cravings across the face. Welcome to Anon Chef, no face, just fuel. We are starting with a very basic dish today, chicken fried rice. Perfect for fat loss, muscle gain, or a lean bulk. This is your go-to meal prep recipe for the week. We will be posting more of these fun recipe videos every week. Subscribe for more high protein, low calorie, and easy to cook recipes. All right, gear up. You'll need a non-stick pan or a wok if you're feeling fancy. A mixing bowl, preferably clean a spatula, not your gym shaker bottle, bro. And if you're meal prepping, 5 containers, otherwise just your face and a fork. Here's what goes in. 25 ounces of chicken breast, diced like your ex's excuses, 300 grams frozen mixed veggies, whatever's lurking in your freezer, 3 eggs plus 200 grams egg whites, because yolks have an ego, 700 grams cooked rice, preferably day-old, just like your gym soreness, garlic powder, soy sauce, sriracha, sesame oil, and avocado oil. We're flavoring, not suffering. Step 1. Marinate the chicken. Toss the chicken into a bowl and give it a spa day. Garlic powder, soy sauce, avocado oil, sriracha. Boom. Mix it like you mean it. Let it sit while we move on. Think the chickens are resting after a heavy set. Step 2. Egg prep. Now crack 3 eggs and add 200 grams of egg whites into a bowl. Whisk them up like you're about to win a baking show, only you're making gains instead of cupcakes. Step 3. Cook the chicken. High heat, pan ready. Drop that chicken in batch by batch. Let it sear, flip, and flex. 2 to 3 minutes per batch. Remove when golden and cooked through. Step 4. Veggie time. Same pan. Toss in the frozen veggies. You know, the healthy, guilt-free stuff. Sauté until they go from meh to Then, shove them to the side like bad advice. Step 5. Scramble eggs now. Pour in that egg mixture into the other side of the pan. Scramble it like your Monday morning brain. Once fluffy, bring everything together. Step 6. Rice finale. In goes the rice. 700 grams of golden potential. Hit it with 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 3 tablespoons sesame oil. Toss, stir, vibe. Step 7. Add chicken and finish. Bring back the chicken. Mix until your pan looks like a food commercial. That's it. 5 meals, 500 calories each, 41 grams of protein. Meal prep done. Protein secured. Cravings defeated. Like what you see. Hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and remember, just food and gains. I'm Anon Chef, and I make food that lifts.